What key does the symbol represent? For instance, the Sublime Text unofficial docs say that on Linux, I can use this key sequence. Alt++ up. To do column selection. I have no idea what this key is if it is not up. Someone out there just knows the answer to this question.
It means press Alt plus Shift plus up arrow. Check your keyboard's Shift for printed on the key. Not all have them, though. This originated in typewriters, where the Shift key actually raised the letter fan assembly.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.